Okay, so it is raining and Fallon is going to plant magnolia.
So these suck.
No. So these arbs didn't make it. We were going to leave it for another year. Look, now there's a second one that died. Whoops, right there. In our row, and maybe even a third or more. But we're going to take this one down because Fallon is going to plant this star magnolia near it. He's cutting the strings off that were holding it up.
So I'm just going to put my weight on it and see if it comes down. Yep, okay, so it clearly does.
Sad.
Maybe we should leave it like that.
He doesn't break those 3 hydrangeas right there. Like bring it down this way and then swing it over and lay it down right there, I guess. So sad. It was so much work to dig that up.
Did it clear it?
Yeah. You're actually on the hydrangea, like right above it. There. There's the root system. Just gonna shake off the dirt if you can. Oh. Up.
Stop. Make sure pump the thing.
I did. No.
No, this.
I did.
It's got to be coming out a little bit. Go. Not full up, actually.
Okay, let's see if you can pull it up. Got it. To the chipping pile, which is all that. Sad. 100% convinced that's why we left it so long, but if you look at the wood, it's definitely dead.
Oh, look at the...
Oh, it could have been our Christmas tree this year.
Bye. What was that? This is scary. It's gonna break. It's rotted, so it's not even...
Remember the hydrangea. The hydrangea. Whoa. Okay then. It's still greenish right here. It's still alive.
It's just the top. It was gonna die. Is it coming?
Yeah. This one definitely didn't want to come up. It was harder to cut because it was still a little green, but looking at the trunk, there's a hole right there. I don't know if that played a part in its death.
Alright, well, we dug this one up and we cut this one down, but it's a little too dark to continue, so we'll do that whenever we have the chance next.
It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. A huge storm is about to hit. It's so dark that even our lights, what do you call those? Are on.
Lights?
Oh my god. Okay, I'm already getting. It is so dark in the house. Wow. Where I can't even see my cat. I mean, I can't even see you. It's so dark. I've never seen it this dark before a storm before. Well, the storm is over, but we got a message that one of the arbs fell. There it is. So that's 3 gone. 3 out of 9. Okay, I need to figure out how to get this out without going on their property. Oh, it's wet. Okay. I think also what made it fall is that these just broke. So let's see if it's alive. Nope, that branch is dead completely. Green leaves, so I'm guessing the branches are alive. They are, it's green and white. You don't think it's gonna live? Hard to cut because it's wet. Ow. Okay, so we trimmed a bunch of the chunks, but we still can't lift it up. So Valen's gonna get the chainsaw. Save that lilac right there, but it has tons of suckers, and I think I'm just gonna chop them off so that we have better access over here. Although it's the only spot we have that will block this gaping hole now that the arb fell. Got it. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I can cut the next piece. Nice. Wait. I think it's going to take out the lilac. No, maybe not.
This just needs to burn because you can.
Goodbye, arb. Yikes.
Oh, it's hot. Overheat. I'm sweating like crazy. Come off, dirt.